Alright, this is Claire. Who's it? You get on the box? She likes to crawl up on the diaper boxes. Here she goes. You're such a big girl. Hi, sweetheart. Ooh, look, I can go from one to the other. Hi, Claire. Are you trying to say you want to get in the crib? Careful. What are you doing? Careful, brave girl. And this is Claire just jumping off the box. Yeah.